Hello everyone, Ollie here, and today I'm doing a video on the IDE for Arduino. I'm going to be making a sequentially blinking LED project for beginners. This is the Arduino IDE, which you can download very easily. It's here. You can do the Windows installer or the Linux or the Mac. I'll also include the code for the sequential LED. But we're going to just go for it here, so you can copy it down off here if you really want to. So this is the first bit. This is for LEDs. You can use 3 or 4 or anything like that, but I'd definitely use a minimum of 3. And all you're going to need is a Arduino UNO, 4 LEDs or 3 LEDs, the same amount of resistors for your LEDs, 4 jumper cables because you need 3 for the LEDs or how many were for the LEDs, and 1 for grounding, a power cable for the Arduino, and I think that's it. So we're going to run through the code first. This is in C, I believe. So these are the pins, and this is the power pins. You get the voltage from the Arduino. So it'll recognize this as being from there, and it'll say, oh, this is the LED that goes for this. And then this goes pin mode, LED 1, it assigns it to there, and then outputs. So it's telling it that's the mode it wants to be, is the output mode. This is only running once. This is the setup code. The loop code runs repeatedly. So it'll go through there and loop back to the start, through there, loop back to the start. This will just go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. But this goes through there, back to start again. So one LED, it goes to high, which means on. Low means off. Delay 200 means 200 millisecond delay, so it turns off and back on. That's the delay. So you've got delays on off and the delays on. You can mess around with the delays, change the numbers, whatever you want. It's very customizable. But you write all these for how many LEDs you have. You need 1 for off and 1 for on. And that's pretty much all the code. Once you've done that, you need to go to Tools, and then check the board is the right one, but your port is the Arduino UNO, and upload. But first, we're going to show a little sort of diagram of how it works. So we got the breadboard here. Mine's rectangular, and you're going to want, let's put 3 LEDs, like this. And then you're going to have your Arduino UNO R3, which is plugged into USB. Awful drawing, I'm very sorry. You've got ground pin, which plugs into negative. Got jumper cable doing that. And then you'll have your 11, 12 and 13 power pins, and you're going to want the longer pin on, or the longer leg on the LED is going to want to be connected to a resistor, 220 ohm to be specific, and that's connected to the negative. So these are 220 ohm. That's awful, I'm sorry. And you're going to want to connect the longer legs to the resistors, like that. And then you're going to want to connect the shorter legs to power, so the 11, 12 and 13, like that. It can be a lot less messy than this, obviously, in real life, but that's pretty much how it works. And yeah, this is how it is. You plug it in, and then you'll click upload. When it's come off that first, click upload. It'll compile it, upload it, and then it's very quick. It'll be done, and you should see LEDs lighting up sequentially after each other. And yeah, that's been a tutorial on how to get sequentially lighting up LEDs on the Arduino UNO R3. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next video.